Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Jira sprint goals with Burndown charts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Jira sprint goals with Burndown charts, begin by opening your Jira dashboard. Locate the project associated with the sprint you want to update. Access the sprint you wish to modify. Click on the Active Sprints tab to view current activities. Next, find the Burndown chart option in the sidebar. This chart displays the remaining work for the sprint over time. Review the chart to assess your team's progress towards the sprint goal. If necessary, adjust the sprint goal by clicking on the pencil icon next to it. Enter the updated goal in the text field provided. Make sure the new goal reflects the current priorities of your team. After editing, click the Save button to finalize your updates. Now return to the Burndown chart to ensure it aligns with the updated goal. Monitor the chart regularly for any changes in progress throughout the sprint. Discuss any discrepancies with your team to maintain alignment. Ensure everyone understands the updated goals to keep motivation high. Repeat this process for future sprints to stay on track with your project objectives. With this tutorial, you've successfully updated your Jira sprint goals using Burndown charts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.